Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here, and welcome back to Health by Atik. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's super important for protecting your health, your blood sugar. We're talking about 16 alarming signs your blood sugar might be high and 8 common symptoms of diabetes. High blood sugar or hyperglycemia isn't just a concern for people with diabetes. It can affect anyone, and trust me, you don't want to ignore it. So stick with me to the end of this video because understanding these symptoms could be a total game changer for your health. Alright, let's jump right into it. The first sign we're going to talk about is frequent urination, especially at night. If it's happening more often than usual, it could be your body's way of trying to flush out excess sugar through your urine. So, if you're constantly running to the restroom, especially in the middle of the night, don't just brush it off. It might be a sign to check your blood sugar. Now this next sign goes hand in hand with frequent urination. All that peeing can really dehydrate you, leading to, you guessed it, excessive thirst. You might find yourself constantly reaching for your water bottle no matter how much you drink. When your blood sugar is high, it pulls water from your tissues, including your mouth, making you feel parched. So if you're feeling constantly thirsty even after chugging down water, it might be time to pay attention to what your body is trying to tell you about your blood sugar levels. Have you ever noticed your vision getting blurry or hazy, like you're looking through a dirty window? High blood sugar could be the culprit. High levels of glucose in your blood can damage the tiny blood vessels in your eyes, especially the retina. This damage can cause the lenses in your eyes to swell, leading to blurry vision. So if you're experiencing any changes in your vision, don't wait to get it checked out. It could be your eyes sending you a warning signal about your blood sugar. Let's be honest, we all feel tired sometimes, right? It's a common experience after a long day at work or a strenuous workout. We might yawn, stretch, and feel the need to rest. But we're not talking about your average end-of-the-day fatigue here. This isn't the kind of tiredness that a good night's sleep can fix. I'm talking about that bone-deep exhaustion that just doesn't seem to go away, no matter how much sleep you get. It's the kind of fatigue that makes even the simplest tasks feel like a monumental effort. If you're feeling constantly drained, even after a good night's rest, it could be a sign of high blood sugar. This persistent tiredness can be a red flag for underlying health issues. Our bodies need glucose for energy. It's the fuel that keeps us going throughout the day. But when your blood sugar is high, it means your body isn't able to use that glucose efficiently. Instead of being used for energy, it just accumulates in your bloodstream. So that glucose just builds up in your bloodstream while your cells are starving for energy, leaving you feeling totally wiped out. This can lead to a vicious cycle of fatigue and frustration. Ever wonder why a small cut seems to take forever to heal? High blood sugar could be the reason behind those stubborn wounds. Your blood vessels are like highways that transport essential nutrients and oxygen throughout your body to help with healing. But when your blood sugar is consistently high, it damages those highways, making them narrow and less efficient. This means less blood flow to your wounds, which slows down the healing process. So if you notice your cuts and scrapes are taking longer than usual to heal, it's worth checking your blood sugar levels. Now, we've already touched on how high blood sugar can lead to dehydration. This happens because your kidneys are working overtime to get rid of the excess sugar in your blood. Because of all those extra bathroom trips, the more you urinate, the more fluids you lose, leading to dehydration. But did you know that dehydration can also wreak havoc on your skin and mouth? It's not just about feeling thirsty. When you're dehydrated, your skin loses its natural moisture, becoming dry, flaky, and itchy. This can make your skin feel uncomfortable and look less vibrant. That constant dryness in your mouth is a major sign that your body is craving fluids. Your mouth may feel sticky and you might have trouble swallowing because your blood sugar is out of whack. High blood sugar levels can make it difficult for your body to retain moisture. So if you're constantly reaching for that moisturizer, trying to soothe your dry skin, and chugging water but still feeling like a dried up sponge, it might be more than just a hydration issue. It's time to pay attention to your blood sugar. Managing your blood sugar levels can help alleviate these symptoms and improve your overall well-being. Have you ever experienced that pins and needles sensation, like your hands or feet have fallen asleep even when they haven't? Or maybe you feel a weird numbness or tingling in your extremities. This could be a sign of nerve damage caused by high blood sugar. Over time, high glucose levels can damage the delicate nerves in your body, especially the ones that travel to your hands and feet. So if you're experiencing any unusual sensations in your extremities, don't ignore them. Now, this one might seem a bit counterintuitive. After all, we usually associate weight loss with being healthy, right? But when it comes to blood sugar, unexplained weight loss can actually be a red flag. When your body can't use glucose for energy because of high blood sugar, it starts looking for alternative fuel sources. So even if you're eating normally or even more than usual, you might start losing weight because your body is basically eating itself from the inside out. If you notice the pounds dropping without any explanation, it's definitely time to get your blood sugar checked. We've all been there, that feeling of being absolutely ravenous, like you could eat a whole buffet by yourself. But if you're constantly feeling hungry, even after a filling meal, it could be a sign that your blood sugar is out of whack. When your blood sugar is high, your body isn't able to use glucose effectively for energy, so your cells are essentially starving. This sends signals to your brain saying, hey, we need more food, even if you've just eaten. Headaches, those pounding, throbbing pains in your head that can really ruin your day. Frequent headaches could actually be a sign of fluctuating blood sugar levels. When your blood sugar spikes or crashes, it can affect the blood vessels in your brain, causing them to constrict or dilate. So if you're prone to headaches and notice that they seem to coincide with other blood sugar-related symptoms, it's worth getting your levels checked. Let's face it, nobody likes getting sick. But if you seem to catch every cold and flu that goes around, or if you're constantly battling infections, it could be a sign that your immune system is compromised, possibly due to high blood sugar. High glucose levels damage blood vessels and impair circulation, affecting your immune system's ability to function properly. So if you're frequently sick, it might be time to check your blood sugar levels. Have you ever noticed any dark, velvety patches of skin on your body, especially in areas like your neck, armpits, or groin? This condition, known as acanthosis nigricans, can actually be a sign of insulin resistance. Insulin is a hormone that helps your body use glucose for energy. When you're insulin resistant, your body needs to produce more and more insulin to keep your blood sugar levels in check. While acanthosis nigricans itself isn't harmful, it's often a sign of underlying health issues like insulin resistance or prediabetes. We all have our ups and downs, but if you find yourself experiencing sudden, dramatic mood swings, like going from happy-go-lucky to irritable and on edge in a matter of minutes, it could be a sign that your blood sugar is on a roller coaster ride. When your blood sugar spikes, it's like giving your brain a jolt of energy. But as your blood sugar crashes back down, so does your mood. These rapid fluctuations in blood sugar can really mess with your emotions, leaving you feeling like you're on an emotional seesaw. Ever feel like your brain is stuck in a fog? Like you just can't seem to focus or think straight? High blood sugar could be the culprit behind that brain fog. Your brain relies on a steady supply of glucose for energy, just like every other cell in your body. But when your blood sugar is high, it disrupts the delicate balance of glucose in your brain. So, you might experience difficulty concentrating, brain fog, memory problems, and even difficulty finding the right words. Now, this last sign is a serious one, and it usually only occurs when your blood sugar is dangerously high. We're talking about nausea and vomiting. When your blood sugar gets extremely high, it can actually disrupt the normal functioning of your organs, including your stomach. If you're experiencing these symptoms along with other signs we've talked about, like excessive thirst or frequent urination, it's crucial to seek medical attention immediately. We covered a lot today, but I hope you see how important it is to be aware of your blood sugar levels. Understanding your blood sugar levels is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. It's not just about avoiding sweets. It's about knowing how your body processes the food you eat and how it affects your energy levels and long-term health. High blood sugar and diabetes might be silent, but they can really mess with your health. These conditions can lead to serious complications like heart disease, kidney failure, and vision problems if left unchecked. It's essential to stay informed and proactive. The good news is, by recognizing those warning signs early on, you can take charge of your health and prevent serious problems down the road. Regular monitoring and early intervention can make a significant difference in your quality of life. Even small changes to your lifestyle, like eating a balanced diet, getting regular exercise, and incorporating more physical activities into your daily routine and managing stress can make a world of difference. Stress management is particularly important as stress can negatively impact your blood sugar levels and overall health. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with your friends and family. Sharing this information can help others become more aware and take control of their health too. Remember, your health is in your hands. Make it a priority. Take small steps every day to improve your health and you'll see the benefits over time.